Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix stuck on setup on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if your iPhone is stuck on setup mode, first of all, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now by doing that, you will force restart your iPhone and the setup process will restart. Now this time while you're setting up your iPhone, just make sure you set up your iPhone without transferring the data from your old smartphone. After your setup process is completed, then open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update, then update the software of your iPhone if there is a software update available. Now, if you have updated the software of your iPhone and if this issue is still not fixed, then go to Settings again and tap on General. At the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And by doing that, you will hard reset your iPhone. And this will fix the stuck on setup mode issue of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix stuck on setup on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.